Hi guys, Andre here. I'm with Miguel Hetzel in my workshop today. Miguel is going to show us how he grinds on the Vormac Compact grinder. The little baby that's got the 3 contact wheels and a platinum 3/4 kilowatt motor, and it's got a variable speed drive, so you can run it forward, backwards, slow, fast. Miguel, what are you going to do for us today?
I'm going to do the profile of the knife.
So you've got the table set up square, the tool rest, and now you're just going to grind. Excellent. Well done. Thank you.